So I'm go here, data bind. So continue, 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 continue. F10. So when you see here, did you see that in my data set I am get this value? So what I've done from my data adapter, I fill to this data set. This is a data set value. This is actually a container. Can you see my data table is employee, which I created, employee ID, employee name. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bind it. I'm going to bind this. Oh, I'm not visibling, so it won't show here. Okay, it won't show here because I'm not enabling that one. Okay, grid view dot visible, grid view dot visible equal to true. So once record comes, I'm enabling this one. Okay, so I'm running the same function. So what I'm trying to do is running same code once again to show that whatever we done through adapter. Okay, so come here, click this. It will has attached. Okay, one second. Lot of disturbance. So continue, 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 continue. Can you see this? This is our record. Okay. So this I have done to AD.NET. So similarly, we can do it by data reader. Okay. So execute reader. Okay. What they will do is that instead of data set, I have to loop it and I will show you. Okay. What I'll do is instead of this one, I will comment this all this code. Okay. I will comment this all this code. So what you should do, what you should do is you have to create SQL data reader dr dot cmd. In cmd only we have that one. So you have something called execute reader. This is execute reader. So here what they will do, they'll create while loop dr dot read. I'm going to read the record, and here I'm going to create a loop. So here I'm going to iterate. In dr I have a value dr of 0. Dr of 0 means employee 1, employee ID to string. Okay, next dr of 1. So I'll create one some employee ID. I create. This is actually a sample. Okay, usually we won't do like this. We will bind it. Actually, I want to show here. Okay, employee ID equal to this. Then I'm going to. I want to show you. I'm going to append. Okay, I'm going to append. Similarly, I have employee name. So what I'm going to looping the record. So first time employee ID, next iteration employee name. So I will bind it in the same label and I'll show you. Okay. So we have only one record, correct? Okay. 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 So now we have three records. So I'm going to use the dot. So we have to dispose this one. So once you everything over, we have to dispose this. Dispose means destroying that object. So con dot dispose. Actually, we no need to use this con dot dispose because when you're using, this will call use. I think I discussed about the dispose. You remember garbage collector, dispose, finalizer. There I have discussed about this one. Dispose means I'm going to dispose this object. So this is managed code. This is unmanaged code, correct? So garbage collector doesn't know when to dispose. We have to explicitly call. So it will be keep on checking. So if you use using, this will explicitly call. If you forgot to call this dispose, this will whenever you come out of this loop, automatically it will call dispose. To show the example, I am using dispose, okay? But it's not required to use dispose here, okay? Because I'm using. Now what I'll do is I'll run the same code. I just want to show I'm using data reader. So now I'm calling same thing. Why? Only one time it came, huh? Oh, I think I have to. So you have to move the record dr dot. 1 second. We have to move that record. Not used much. You can use date dot value. Oh, not required. No connection. Uh, where is that? It came out of the loop. Doesn't matter actually. I'm disposing, closing the connection. But here they're using this one only. Why it come out of the loop? How many records are there? I didn't run it. Sure. Sorry.